I'm here today with Bonita Paisley from Armor Insurance Sherwood Park, and today we're going to talk about motorcycle insurance. Welcome, Bonita.
Thank you.
So what is motorcycle insurance?
Motorcycle insurance starts with liability coverage. You need liability coverage to be on the road driving. It's mandatory by law. Liability coverage is coverage for you if you cause damage to someone or something else.
So what about if you damage your own motorcycle?
You need to carry collision coverage. Collision coverage covers any collision with a single vehicle or multi-vehicle accident. It covers to fix your vehicle in the case of that claim. You can also carry comprehensive coverage. Comprehensive coverage for your motorbike is fire, theft, vandalism, anything but a collision accident would be covered under comprehensive coverage. You can carry comprehensive coverage without carrying collision coverage. Those are some options you can do.
And are there any add-ons or options you can get with your motorcycle insurance?
There's lots of add-ons we can add on to your motorbike. If you have a brand new motorbike, we can put on a waiver of depreciation. In the event of a total loss of the motorbike in the first 2.5 years, you will get back your purchase price or the manufacturer's list price, so that's brand new. If you have a newer used motorbike, you can also get what's called replacement cost coverage. That gives you a brand new motorbike, up to 10 years old on the used motorbikes, but it would give you a brand new motorbike in the event of a loss again.
Great. And if your bike is in for repair, are there any options to keep you on the road?
Only in the event of a collision. If it is being repaired or total loss, you would have access to a rental motorcycle to keep you on the road riding during the summer months.
And is there any emergency roadside service available?
Yes, you can add on what's called emergency service expense. It's just roadside assistance. If you need a tow or you're broken down on the side of the road, you can have access to that kind of coverage as well.
And what about my accessories?
Your accessories we do need to add. It's not included in your basic package. You do need to add on any accessories you have for helmet, riding gear, saddlebags, jackets, all based on the value of those items. We add that on and extra coverage for you on your policy.
And is there anything like accident forgiveness on motorcycle insurance?
There is. Experienced motorcycle drivers, you have to be eligible for what's called accident forgiveness. So again, in the case of an accident, it waives that accident. It doesn't affect your insurance for the first 6 years.
Great, and if I wanted to learn more or find out how I can get motorcycle insurance for myself, what should I do?
Contact your local Armor insurance broker and they'd be happy to go over any of the coverages we talked about today.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.